All right, we're live on YouTube, and I'm just about to tweet it out right now, too. All right, guys, we are back at it. Um, so yeah, like I told you guys this morning, I'm bringing Steve, Halcyon CEO, on. Despite what some people might think, guys, I don't have anything to do with running Halcyon. I'm just, I'm the front man, nothing more. But like I said, I got the guy actually behind the operation on here to do a little bit of live trading with us. Um, we had that trade off last week. You guys know when I won the belt back for Team ES.
Yeah.
I brought the title home, like I said. Um, Steve wasn't aware of this, but it's in the rule book that was created a long time ago, like 1996 or somewhere around that year. Um, I don't have to let him challenge for it this week. So I think, last week we showed him what was up so much that we're keeping it for another week regardless. So he's not eligible to win the belt today, so we're not going to compete for it.
Do I have to go to bi-weekly now?
Uh, well, it just depends on. I have to go back and look at the rule book, but I'll let you know.
But is the rule book like integrated into your birth certificate or something?
It's on my iPhone. Like I got a live note. It's changing by the day, so I don't know what it says today.
Oh, all right. Yeah, it's like some other props, man. They just fly and change by the day.
Dude, that's the truth. Not to mention anybody in particular, but one prop, quite literally changes every week. It's getting hilarious.
Yeah, you were about to say it right. The fraud prop, the frop.
Yeah, the prop. All right, let me get these chats pulled up here so I can see what people are saying.
Yeah, I can't see any of the chats. I'm on the fly at home here, so I got my little laptop trying its best.
We got the commissioner on the YouTube stream. He said "F you, Steve," is what his tweet was saying the other night.
Yeah. I'm just as dyslexic as anybody, but man, you really take the cake for dyslexia.
Man, I'm gonna try a starter
Order filled.
short right here on ES. This thing has been wanting to melt all day, so I'm putting a starter short side. I'm getting a discrepancy. The commissioner's saying he did not say "F you." That's not how I read it.
Sean's a good guy, man. He'd never say that.
I think he said it, man. That's what I read. I mean, I wouldn't swear under oath to it, but I'm pretty certain.
You're banging a short right now.
Well, uh, yes, I am. I know it looks like it's in this channel right here, but everything's been melting all day. So I'm going to go with what's been happening all day, personally.
Yeah, I don't disagree with that.
Oh, 1 second here.
I'm on MNQ right now, just so everybody else knows. You know, it's crazy. People think that like you own a prop and you have access to all these accounts. My guys literally don't have an account for me. So this is an actual real like live money account. This is my account. We'll trade a little more cautious here.
You're not just going to YOLO on some props, man?
No, man, no, not at all. I don't ever recommend anybody else to do that either.
I mean, I heard that's how you get the payouts.
Oh yeah, yeah, probably not consistently though. If this comes into the 90s, I might take a short here.
I'm
I don't even, I don't even have one click trading turned on. This is hilarious.
I'm looking to get a little bit more short
Order
right
filled.
here. So I got two on. I have a It's different for you. I'm on ES. I'm at 62, 69, 75 average.
Yeah, I can see it right here, 6270 on my Quotron. The only problem with taking a short here in the 90s is on the Qs is this thing can just rip all the way up into 30s like in a matter of minutes.
Oh, don't I know it?
Yeah, so this is a dangerous short. I'm just putting that out there. If anybody wanted to attempt this with me, we'll actually just throw a stop in there too.
All right, we have an active Twitter chat. I'm just getting the Twitter chat pulled up. We got Corey in here. We got Matt in here. Seed Oil, Mr. C. Good to see you guys this afternoon.
We got Corey. I'm gonna have to get it on my phone. We got Corey in there, man.
Yeah, Corey's in here, man.
Corey's a trader that we took live, man. Corey's a really good trader.
Well, there we go. We have a live trader in the chat.
Yeah, we don't like screw around and post these, payout certificates and all this stuff to like wow people. I don't really know the right way to explain it. It's just all, like a magician show. We just give you the capital and put you in live. And nobody else needs to know your business is the way we look at it.
Yeah, I mean, that's kind of, I can respect that stance because I mean, I post my stuff like I have been for years. So like at this point, it's just second nature that everything I'm doing trading wise is out in the open. But I do understand that your profits and finances is private for a lot of people. So it's kind of, in my way, a little bit messed up that some of that just gets posted out in the open without your consent.
Yeah, we don't get on board with that. Granted, there's no like legal thing involved with that,
Sure.
but we're just not going to do that to people. We're not going to post names and payout certificates and all this stuff. I don't know. We run a real prop. We don't go walking down, Broad Street talking about, John just got paid 30,000 today.
um, well, while I do have you, I'm sitting in this short here, guys. You can see it on screen. So if I don't say what I'm doing with it, you'll be able to see, if I adjust this short. But while I got you here, Steve, talk a little bit about that referral plan that you just rolled out this week. I posted it on Twitter, but I don't know if people fully are grasping yet just what that is.
Yeah, so we stand by what we say when we say we don't want a gajillion like codes out there, right? We're more
Sure.
than happy with our relationship with Gary. It's a phenomenal relationship that we have. Code WIN is the actual code to get discounts on our accounts. But myself and our team, we were like we want to involve our traders. Our traders are our community. No traders, no community. No traders, no prop, right?
Correct.
And I think that too many firms put so much emphasis on, these gurus and influencers, and they give them all the weight and the power. And I think that's disastrous. So what we did is we came up with the referral system. If you log into the Halcyon website, your code will be listed right there at the top. If you give a friend that code, post it to social media, you never know who may use it. We highly encourage you to just distribute it. Just post it to your Twitter, Facebook, Insta, TikTok, whatever you have. When that
Group chat.
person puts that little code in, when they sign up, every single thing they do on our website and with our firm, you earn a point for. If they buy an account, you get a point. They register, you get a point. If they happen to do a reset, you get a point. When they upgrade, you get a point. And those points convert to freebies and then also just cold hard cash. So it's our way of telling our traders, like, we want you to have the power, like you spread the word for us. Like we value you more than, some influencer that has, 26,000 subscribers. So like we just,
That's a very specific number, Steve.
oh, it's a very specific person as well. And, he tried to drive by on us, but again, I've been around this industry a long time, so I don't need to argue with him. I just make different phone calls.
Sure. Um, but no, I like that a lot too. You know, like I came out with this movement that you guys stole from me, like you tried to steal my belt. Um, Futures are ours. But in line of this, I really do think that supports that statement that, you know, like I've tweeted to you guys as well that, you know, futures is ours. It means all of you guys. So like I would have no live stream. I wouldn't be on here streaming if I was just talking to myself every day. So, you know, you guys watching this, it's late day on Twitter. We have about 400 of you right now on the fly. So every one of you guys are important in that statement. And this is a little way that I think is really cool that you guys can kind of share in the monetary benefit that you can get from a prop firm.
Oh yeah, we'll just give you cold hard cash. We'll just deposit, via ACH, cash to your account. I think it's 10 points and you start to get cash. I have to look at the system. My guys and I
Yeah,
developed it a couple of weeks ago and we finally implemented it. But yeah, you just get your code, just drop your code anywhere, give it to a buddy, social media, whatever. Person registers and it stays with them for life. Your points accrue for life too. So, I mean, that's not like a monthly renewal. We
so
really just want to give the power to our people.
so like if I have a buddy that I just put in a group text and I send this to and he uses the code. I mean, I got a code too, guys. Code Gary, whatever. I haven't looked at it. I'm not going to post my code because I want to share your all's codes. But if I just send that to somebody in a group text, um, and he buys an account, let's say, and then he resets, do I just keep getting more points from each thing that he does?
Yeah, and I had a call with our CTO earlier today. I wasn't able to be in the office, but I believe that he made the change as well. So, like, you can retroactively put the code in now. Don't 100% quote me on that, but I think you can now. So, like, if a buddy referred you maybe 2 weeks ago, I think you can put his code in now, and then you start earning points from the day the code becomes attached. You don't get like the retroactive points, but we're trying to really just make it, for our traders. I mean, I'm a
Sure.
trader, man. You know, I think traders are the most important. Being a trader myself, I put more emphasis on our traders than anything.
Yeah.
And like, I mean, these, guys can tell you, like I see Matt in the chat. I'm not calling him out. He had a couple support ticket things and like, I'm not joking. I called him, like I'm not joking when I say like, I will call you and we will figure it out for you. All right. So I just got filled at 92.50 on the short. This is a dangerous short, just heads up for everybody. But I do have like a 20-point stop. So we'll see where this goes. I'm expecting it to come back into the 60s. I'd like to see it wick on down into this low 60s here. I still think that we have to challenge all of this down here today.
Yeah. I put a stop loss on mine right above 62.75, just because that's been a magnet for ES on us. So I don't really want to get too far above that and risk going for a late day open range high break. But I agree with you. I think that we got more lows coming. That's why I have, what is this, like a 6 point stop on right now? Yeah, here we go.
Yeah, Matt, right there. I just see him pop in on Twitter. Yeah, man, I'm not bullshitting to be blunt. Like I'll call you. You need help, I'll call you. You want to trade with me, I'll call you. Like I'm just a trader, man. I'm just a trader that did extremely well and got sick and tired of all the nonsense in the prop space. So here we are.
Yeah, I know. Each time that you've tried to call me today, I've hit decline because I know what it's about. You're not getting a crack at my belt.
I'm gonna take it from you right now on some 3 micros here. Okay, so if you did take that short with me, pretty much your get out or bail area would be in these 22,900 and like 5 or 7. I do have my stop back at 914. And then you could also start to trim here if you wanted. Um, anywhere around these blocks in the low 80s. I mean, to snatch this for 10 points and, move on about your day, really. I'm a hold'em trader. I'll hold this thing into the close, probably see if I can get down into the 60s.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will.
Um,
Oh, it might not go to the 60s, but I will hold this thing into the close, win, lose, or draw. I've set my risk and I've set where I want to get it.
if
Here, we'll
uh,
go.
if it goes down to the 60s, I'll give you a crack at the belt next week.
You don't think it's going to drop, man? Look, it's getting melty, like to the downside today. I
Dude,
mean, granted, go ahead.
I'm hoping it drops. I'm short with you.
Oh, that's funny shit. Yeah, Gary is talking shit.
I mean, what else,
Adam
man?
Simon. Yeah, man, he is talking shit. What else are we going to do? You should come to the office. You should hear that shit.
Uh, Someone just asked if you win the belt back, does that mean I have to chew Copenhagen? Absolutely not, man.
No, God,
I
no.
I am committed to Zen and Alp. I'm leading this charge for us. I'll never let you guys down. Even if we lose a battle, the war is far from over. I got to get myself back up and then go charge and take it back for us. So I'm with the team.
This thing just doesn't want to, it's going to make you work for this short.
Dude, that's been all day. Like it's quite literally been Katy Perry trading all day.
Yeah, Tesla's getting crap, but you got to watch, man, because like some of the tech is getting juiced up. I thought I saw like Intel was up like 7 points, something like that. I might take one off here just
Order
to
filled.
I was literally just doing the exact same thing. That's funny.
de-risk just a little bit.
Yeah, I literally did the exact same thing right
Yeah,
there.
we're taking one off. We got to adjust some stops.
I'm putting my stop in the profit right here, guys.
Yeah, I think I'm going to do the same thing on this, man. If I get
Order filled.
slammed, I get slammed, but
Oh yeah, baby, I'm stopped out.
I'm gonna put my stop where I said, like in the 475. I probably will get stopped, but on the 3 minute, we're starting to get a decline on the 9 EMA. If this can really turn, this thing can drop rapidly. Hopefully everybody can see that on the screen.
I believe they can. I can.
And
I'm watching.
you might get, oh shit, you might get a little wick down into the 60s. I'm going to target these lows here, these wicks.
Dude, I am getting rich today. I'm green like $100 on the day on each account. Man, I'm crushing.
Okay, stop at break even because she's going. Hey, you know what? I want to know something, man? I think it's funny when, and this, I'm not saying anything about anybody, but when traders are like, "Oh man, I'm down $300 today." Down $300? That's like being green.
That's
Just take
green.
it and go.
Dude, I was down when I ended the morning stream this morning. I think I was red like $1,400. Just because, man, I was taking good setups. I would take every setup again, 10 out of 10 times. It's just very choppy today, and I got chopped on a lot of scalps. Down 1,400, and I battled back. I'm thrilled to be up 100.
Yeah, no kidding, man. Been there, done that. $100 up from, you know, 2, 3 grand down. You just take it and go. That's a brutal day.
It's it's a brutal day, man. Everybody wants to be a trader until they're like, oh, you mean I'm going to sit here for maybe 8 hours some days, not make anything, and lose money? Sign me up.
Yeah. Oh, I think that's hilarious, man. There's some weeks I might only make 2 trades in a week and sit there for 5 days straight.
Yeah, I mean it's only Tuesday, but this is starting out to be a very choppy week, man. I mean, if you look at this, guys, if you're looking at my screen, uh, I still have the open range high and open range low drawn on my screen from earlier. And you can see we really can't get too far either direction from that open range. And we just come back and we stay in this little channel that looks like a dragon right here. Like ES quite literally looks like a Chinese dragon or something today. Um, and it's been a very choppy day because of that.
Yeah, you don't have like agreement with stuff in the market right now. Like
Yeah,
Corey just said it too. Yeah, Intel's up large. You got some other stuff going down. It's just a price battle at this point.
sure. Um, how let's see, what can we talk about with the firm here? Um, so I think that you were telling me because this firm has just been open for what I think you're on week 5. Is that correct?
Yeah, 5 or 6, something like that. I can't remember. Yeah, five, maybe 6 or 7. I don't know.
I don't. I don't think it's more than 6. I really
Yeah, I
don't.
don't
So
think it is either. Yeah, I think we're at 6.
maybe
I think this
six.
is our sixth week.
Yeah, I think we're coming into the 6th week here. And I know when I first interviewed you back a couple months ago when the firm was getting ready to launch, you made a statement that your mission is to take traders live as quickly as possible. You know, once you get the data on their trades, if they're a decent trader, you're going to move them live as quick as possible, which I know most other firms, and even, Halcyon says, you got to go through ever how many payouts to make it to live, and most other firms make you go through every single payout period and still might not take you live. But you were telling me yesterday, I believe, that you've already taken 3 traders live in like 5 weeks, and it would have to be before their due payout periods on the website listed. So you are honoring what you said that you're going to take people live very quickly.
Yeah, so we have, um, but I guess just to back it up a little bit, I think it's hilarious when people, and you see like on Twitter and social media, like posting, oh, these props don't know what they're doing. Like people don't realize that we run an actual
Order
real
filled.
prop. Um, so we have all these systems built, tools, things like that, and we can, I mean, analyze a trader in a matter of 15 minutes by throwing the data in.
Sure.
Um, it's pretty simple. So yeah, we move you live if you meet, basically some of the metrics that we're looking for, more or less a good majority overall of the metrics that we're looking for. Um, so yeah, I mean, how those conversations went is like, do you want your payout or do you just want to go live?
And
And the smart choice is just to go live because then you get daily payouts. It's real capital. I mean, it's legit. It's there. But yeah, we take 3 people live. Some of the process takes longer for other people than it does for others, but that has to do with like power of attorneys getting signed and things like that, and
sure.
getting sub accounts in people's names, stuff like that. But the process is typically 3 to 5 days, something like that.
Um, yeah, I mean, once they go live, daily payouts. I mean, it's their money, make it, take it. Build it up.
100%, 100% too. So we don't take anything out of it.
Yeah, oh yeah, I forgot 100%. I mean, that's. I mean, I think you guys might be the only ones in the industry doing that. To be honest with you.
Yeah, I got stopped out of this. I just pulled the stop to break even. But if I would have left it back where, we had talked about 904s, fives, you'd still be in this.
I told you wouldn't hold to 60s.
Oh, come on, man. It's a fake little bull run flag thing here that they're trying to throw up on a small consolidation period. They're going to get smoked.
Well, I'm with them, man. I'm on the
Oh,
Nike pattern, and I'm actually scaling into a long here.
you're okay. Here we go.
The reason being, I'm trading ES and ES and SPY not all the time, but a decent amount of times into the last few minutes of the day, man. It rallies a lot of the time.
Order
So
filled.
I'm not looking for any massive move, but just a little pop, little
I
ES
see.
pop.
I see Corey in there. Yeah, I think that's key in any business is just being a man of your word and sticking to what you say.
Um,
Definitely in this business. Thanks, Corey. I appreciate it. Yeah, you just went long. So the market makers, right? Everybody talks about the market makers. They've
Yeah.
now trained your brain and ingrained you to believe that this thing is going to shoot up because it's done it for the last 2 weeks. You're going to become liquidity today. Today's the day you fucked around and found out, Gary.
Well, when you hold the belt like I do, you don't worry about things like that happening.
Yeah.
Um,
Dude, we should do these afternoon streams way more often, man. This is fun. I'm done with all my tasks for the day. I don't have to do anything for either prop. I can just chill and have fun with you.
Someone in the YouTube chat just asked, any update on Iron Beam? Volumetrica is cool, but I think Iron Beam apps has to be better.
So this is Iron Beam right here. Everybody thinks I'm full of shit. I'm not joking. I don't have any accounts at our firm. My guys, I don't have them. They don't give them to me. So this is one of my personal accounts. Any update? Yeah. Uh, when we want to drop it, we're gonna drop it. I Sooner than later. How about that? Sooner than later. Iron Beam's app is wicked, man. Their mobile app is smooth as silk. You can build your desktop exactly how you want, and every single thing you do on the desktop happens on the mobile. So it's not like Tradeovate's stupid shit where you got to build it all over again.
Um, I'm thinking about asking a question, but I don't know if I'm able to ask this question.
You can ask whatever you want. I'll answer it or not if it comes
Oh,
into like a legal aspect.
okay, so let's say when Iron Beam drops, which is very, very soon, I have a little bit of knowledge that it is coming soon, guys. Can anybody use Iron Beam on any other prop? Is that possible?
Like any other prop firm?
Correct.
No, hell no.
So we're on record hearing it here first that you have exclusive with Iron Beam when you drop it.
Yeah, we definitely do.
Okay.
We helped them build it. Like, I mean, they did all their work, but yeah, like my engineers, my software engineers, and I myself, and Iron Beam's amazing team. I mean, yeah, we all work together. It was a long process,
Yeah,
but no, yeah, no other prop can have it.
I am excited for Iron Beam, but to be honest, I'm still going to keep at least a couple of my Volumetrica accounts because I really do love this platform, guys. Like, if you guys are trading on it with me, I think it's incredibly easy. Sure, maybe Iron Beam has some more things to it. It might be the Ferrari, but Volumetrica for me is very simple and easy to use and to get my trades done. I love it.
Yeah, every platform that we work with, it has definite bonuses to it, right? Like Volumetrica's ease of use it's probably one of the most user-friendly platforms that there is. Iron Beam, like as you can see here, is a little more institutional grade, right? So, it is user-friendly, but I mean, you have to kind of know your way around a platform, so to say,
Sure.
to really use it. I myself, I definitely think it's the Ferrari, but like if I were to compare it, like Volumetrica is like a Lambo, you know what I mean? They're not these just run of the mill platforms that everybody else has. I mean, these are seriously powerful machines. I mean, they really are. Both of them are. I think Volumetrica is
Order filled.
amazing, in my opinion. I have some live accounts with Volumetrica as well.
All right, Steve, you might have been right. I got stopped on that long right there. I lost 200 bucks.
Oh yeah, somebody out there talking about Gary out here buying high, selling low.
Listen, sometimes you need to do that to get it out of your system.
Dude, I missed the stream. I don't think we streamed last week, did we? Or did I get smoked by you last week? I can't remember.
We
It wasn't
def
very impactful.
we definitely streamed last week, and I beat you by like $5,000 on the day.
Oh no, it was way more than that, dude. I was down like $6,800 and you were up. So I think you beat me by like 7,500.
Okay, well there you go. So yes, we definitely streamed.
Yeah, I was not in tune with the tape by any means. I don't know, man. Your long
Order
might go
filled.
here now that I
I'm
look at this more.
I think it will,
Order
man. I'm
filled.
adding back into it. Like you're gonna fearmonger me, but it's not gonna work.
Order filled.
I'm going for it, baby.
I'm not fear mongering you. I'm just saying it might push.
Let me put my stop loss down here just in case you roll up on me.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm
Here he
liking
is,
the
the
long.
liquidity. Dude, this Adam guy's fucking hilarious. Adam, I like you, man. Send us a support ticket. I'm gonna hook you up with something.
I'm gonna ban him from the stream.
Yeah, you ain't banning shit. The one guy, seed oil. Yeah, I fucked around and found out. Yeah, oh yeah, man. I've been there, done that. I've fucked around and found out in the market too. I think we all have.
Dude, I do it all the time.
This thing is literally just gonna churn here. This is absolutely ridiculous. And it's 340. There's nothing worse than a close that has no volume
Well, it's not the most fun thing that I've experienced.
and no movement.
Man, what I think is 62.75 has been a magnet literally all day. I would estimate that we might end up somewhere around the close at 62.75.
75. You got three, four and a quarter to go, four to go.
Yeah, that's all I need.
I think I got a buy in right now at 863. They might drop this to then run it.
I think it is going to run up. It's just, how much chop it's going to do before it does it is the only problem.
SPX sitting on monthly trend line. Pull back tomorrow. Probably tomorrow going to be the move. Yeah. Or they throw it to Thursday and churn it another day. But at the end of the day, all we can do is see what's on the tape. Recently they've been putting the moves in through London session.
Yeah, well, I don't know. All I know is this week, man, the morning session has been brutal.
Yeah, the market makers are gunning for Gary's stock. I
Dude,
agree with that.
they are. I'm dancing around them here. They're after me.
They're like, fuck that guy. He's not notorious or dangerous.
Dude, they're trying to take me out today, man.
Let's see what else. Yeah, so probably next couple weeks we'll drop Iron Beam, another connection as well. Full steam ahead, man. We're ready.
Order
Ready to
filled.
take over.
I'm ready to take over this long right here. I'll tell you that. Everybody counting me out right now, man.
I know. I see that now. Now they're just being mean to you. Damn, dude.
It's all right. I don't hold any grudges. I just have a great memory.
Oh shit. I don't get mad. I just get fucking even.
Yeah, why would I get mad, man, when you can get even?
Oh, that's some funny stuff.
Um, back in the day, never mind. I don't want to say too much on stream, so I retract what I was about to say.
That's fine. 20 minutes to go.
20 minutes until my long vindicates me here.
Matt Dixon going long. Yeah, you know what, bud? I'm convinced of a long too. I'm more of a price hunter, so I'll sit and wait. But
This
I think we
ad
scoop this. Go
this
ahead,
Adam
Trey.
guy just asked me when my boxing match is. Dude, I wish I knew. I'm down for literally any date with the guy. I've quite literally done everything in my power to offer it to him. He made a lot of claims. I'm willing to come to Miami. I'm willing to do any date, uh, tomorrow or 6 months down the road. It doesn't matter. So whenever that guy gets serious is when it will be.
That ain't never gonna happen. You know that, right?
I know, but somebody can
Okay.
hope.
Professional shit talker is what he is.
Oh, absolutely. Dude, and
Oh,
whoever Anita is, I'm thinking about like DMing Anita and asking them if they will come on stream because he keeps saying that some there's a user that you have at Halcyon. Their Twitter's like Anita, and they're claiming it's me. I don't know
Order
who Anita
filled.
is. All right, I'm stopped.
no, it's I saw the Twitter thing last night. It's the funniest shit. It uh I'm not gonna say the person's real name, but Anita Maxwin, obviously that's a funny handle, right? They're a real person. They're a real trader with us. The guy has a 250K fund. Well, it's
Order
actually a
filled.
sim brokerage right now.
Order
He's actually
filled.
a really good trader.
Well, I don't know who it is. I just know it's not me, man.
Yeah, no, everybody keeps saying that it's some like dummy account of ours or a burner. It's the stupidest shit. I actually called the gentleman today
Order
and
filled.
asked him if he would go on. And he was like, absolutely. I'm sick of being called the burner. Like, I'm a real dude, man.
Dude, this chop is very annoying today.
Oh, don't start talking like that. Look at this. Look here, man.
Oh,
Look.
here we go. Okay.
There's a 3-minute chart. Look, trade, add, add. You could have taken profit anywhere on the way down. This
Uh-huh.
not chop. These are all trends right here. Look, trade all the way up. Look at this. This is not chop. 89 to 60, the 70-point move, man. This isn't chop. This is trading. I want to hear
Uh,
the chop shit.
do you have a championship belt, Steve?
No, I don't, because when we do our battles, I go full degen mode and get all of my gambling behaviors out then, so I don't do it to my real accounts.
Well, I mean, part of competing at the championship level is your emotions are out to play, and you got to regulate those in the trade. That's what makes it, a tough belt to hold.
Yeah.
I'll uh, I'll write a little, memo to help you, like, better compete next time. That way, I can have you at 100%.
Oh, no, 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 man. I already know the course I'm gonna buy. I'm
Uh,
gonna go buy this course that somebody sells that won't fight you, and I will be a professional futures trader then.
Can you take the course in a week? Is it possible?
I think so, man. I'm gonna breeze through it and get everything I need to know out. What have we got?
Dude.
We got Corey got paid on the short. Bang bang boogie. That's what we like, man. Um, Adam, yeah, he's all talk. He definitely don't want the smoke. Malibu did. Yeah, I mean it's chop. It is chop. You can trade chop though, but it is choppy. I
Oh,
mean,
it's 100% chop.
957. Yeah, I mean we're 100-point range, 115-point range. That's chop. Especially on NQ, NQ 300 average range ATR daily ATR 300. So well, I don't know if my buys are gonna do anything. They might just sit here unless we do get the sweep.
I think we're going to get the sweep, man. Like, I'm just
Yeah, but
wanting.
to what end though? This could be absolutely brutal now that I'm looking. I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna put one in here.
I'm hoping it's brutal.
Are you short?
Oh, yeah, I'm short.
Okay, here we go. I'm trying to go long and you're short.
Dude, the market has my number today. Um, I'm not trying to get even with the market. I'm just trying to knock it out.
Yeah, I agree with the Malibu dad in here. It's always easy to say it's a trend after it happens, but um I hate to tell you, but I mean I traded today. So I'm not calling it trend after.
That's exactly what you're doing. You're coming on. You're making some wild claims, and we're not going to stand for it.
Yeah. Let's see here. Okay, now we got to analyze this. It's not going where I thought.
Well, of course it's not. I'm looking.
909. Go ahead, sorry.
I'm looking to hit just one more low of day before this day ends, but I don't know if I'm going to get it. We might quite literally go back to that magnet at 75 I was calling for when I was long.
Yeah, the 900 teens
Order
in
filled.
NQ, that would be where I don't ever use like point of control, but just looking at the chart, you can probably assume that's point of control. So probably the same thing. What did you say on ES? What are you looking?
275.
Yeah, so that's probably the same thing here. Yeah, we're talking 25 points. Yeah, it's the same thing. Mr. C, I agree with you, man. At this point, any of these trades are just gambling.
Oh, they are 100%, man. Like, these are not my best days. Is when you have a very tight range. This is not my preferred way of trading.
Oh no, me either. Hell no. I mean, this is so like to piggyback off of what Malibu Dad said. Like, yes, I traded this today, but this does not coincide with my trading style at all. Like, I maybe got one position, profit, and the rest were all just break even because it kept slamming
Sure.
back into me. Some were even a loss, because I didn't pull my stop in time.
Yeah, I'm about to get stopped right here. Dude, that would be hilarious if we closed right at 62.75 today.
Watch.
Order filled.
Oh, it's going to happen.
Yeah, we're probably coming into these low 900 teens here on NQ or MNQ. Some wonky ass shit.
Yeah, there's that pump that I was looking for. It just came a little bit too late, man. These weird little chop zones, despite what Steve says, I do not like them.
Oh, I mean, I'm not going to sit here and say it's not chop. I'm just trying to say that you can trade it.
Oh, 100%. You can trade it. I just know that I'm not the best at trading those things.
Oh, either am I. I mean, it doesn't work for my style at all. I like to hold, and see if I can get a trend when it just constantly keeps coming back on you. But
Sure.
unfortunately, that's the system, right? So like I am forced to hold because at any point in time, this chop, quote unquote chop, right? It could turn into a 300-point trend.
Sure.
You just have to take it.
Yeah, and I take so many trades each day. When I see my setup there, I take it. But yes, I have turned into liquidity.
906. We got any questions on YouTube? I can't see that chat right now.
Let's see. Somebody said, if other dude trades like he boxes, he better be hustling them courses. That's hilarious.
That's great.
I think he is hustling them courses, man.
Yeah, he's pushing them things. I'm gonna flip out if this fucking NQ closes anywhere above 930.
Man, I do not have a read on ES today, so it is not my day.
I got the 15-minute chart telling me that it's a short. I got the 3-minute chart telling me it's a long. This is when you just don't do what Mr. C said and stop gambling.
Oh yeah. Um, yeah, these low.
Holy crap. Did you see this Twitter? Is that for real? This Malibu dance, he made 2 mil off the course alone. That's it. We're done. I'm gonna
We're
start selling the course.
we're doing courses. I could believe it,
everybody,
man. I really could.
everybody that's in the chat can get in on some of that.
Order filled.
We call that chop.
Order filled.
I'm trying to log again, man. I'm shooting the ball, putting my stop loss at low.
You're gonna get smoked, man. I'm telling you right, you're gonna get smoked. It's gonna tap you. It's not even gonna come. It's gonna come to like 7.375, and you're gonna get smoked.
I mean, possibly.
Or 2.735. Selling Fugazi. I love that movie.
Oh, the Wolf of Wall Street.
No, what is that? Donnie Brasco. That's the first time I heard the word Fugazi. I love that movie. You getting smoked yet?
Order filled.
I did. I legitimately did.
I don't know why you don't fucking listen to me, man.
Because nobody can't tell me nothing.
I might get cooked on battle days, but I do know what the hell I'm doing. I can read this tape of volume.
I think it's long, man. I really think it's...
I would try it now if you're gonna try it. I'll jump on it with you.
Order filled.
Let's go.
Order filled.
Actually, I might
Order
grab
filled.
2 here just
Okay.
at market. See what happens into the close. Let me get a stop.
Yeah. I'm trying to, man, but...
Oh, look at that. 23. There we go. Come on, baby. Push, push,
Let's keep going.
Push into the teens.
I want 75.
Yeah, I'm teens. You're 75. Here we go. 40. I'm gonna take 1 out.
Not me, man. I'm going for it.
Okay, balls to the walls. You do.
Balls to the wall. Yep.
Come on, break up into this channel. 99.99 doesn't make sense.
Let's go, baby.
1.
Order
Come on,
filled.
baby. Come on.
Taking 1 right there.
I want teens. I want teens.
I want
I got
75.
1 on. My 1 came off.
I got 2 left.
You got 2. I'm just playing with MNQ. Today was a brutal day.
It was a brutal day. It was brutal.
Order filled.
All right, I got 1 left.
You're getting tilted in the PM session.
Dude, I am.
Trader 615. How many trades do you guys usually take a day? Me, 2, 3, absolute max. Typically just 1.
Me, 10, 12.
But I will, full transparency, I will let a trade, let's say, go 100 points in my favor and come 50 points back against me. I truly do try to hold for a very extended long move.
Okay, I'm out right there. I took mine out. I was getting chopped up. I wouldn't say I was getting tilted per se because I was losing like $400 a trade. You know, I have $15,000 in drawdown in these accounts that I can go through. So, I mean, taking a stab, losing $400 on a scalp, it's controlled. I just had no read on the volume.
I think it's still going to go. I think we get what we're looking for here.
We very well could, but I'm going to sit here and watch it with you at this point.
I mean, when did we start? 3:15. I've been trading micro. Like, this is the power of my. Actually, no, I'm just going to close this so we can show it, right?
Sure.
So, excuse me. I don't know how to bring that back up. Let me find my. Where did that go? No. Oh, here we go. Widget. Jeez, I haven't been on this. Okay, dang it, I can't find. But anyways, I'm up like $80 today, and I only traded micros for 50 minutes, 45 minutes here. So like the power of micros is real, right?
Oh yeah, micros are great, man.
Sorry, I'm trying to find the one that. There. Good night. That took me forever to get to. Yeah, $80.50. Just trading some micros. And not to talk about the accounts, but like since we don't have a monthly subscription and they're a one-time fee, like take all the time you need. Cares if it takes you a month
Yeah, who
chipping away
cares?
80, $100 at a time. That's the way to go. I mean, at that point though, after you pass and get into it, like it's just an ATM. You know what I mean? $80, take $80. Make $80, take $80.
Exactly. And I mean that adds up, man. That's some real money. I mean, you know, and you scale up to more than 80. That 80 turns into a couple hundred, and now you keep scaling up as you go, but you start with 80.
Yeah, yeah. That's one of the reasons why I wanted to just trade micros. And my guys won't give me accounts at my own fucking prop, but hey, um, which is wild.
Yeah, well, can you not do something about that?
No, I mean I can, but like I don't. It's just I don't want to bother them, man. You know what I
Sure.
mean? And what's funny is like like obviously we all work together, but they're not like outsourced. I mean it's a phone call. Hey, I need an account, but I just choose to not bother them with it.
Sure. Man, I'm trying
Order
one
filled.
more into the close here to get 75 to feel like a
Dude, Gary.
dude. I'm telling you, we're gonna break to 75.
I'm telling. Okay, let me see. Actually, let me find ES. I want to see the
It's
real
going
score.
right now.
Oh, I didn't select it. Damn it.
Let's go, baby. Send us.
72. I don't know. Maybe.
Dude, we're right here at it. Come on.
You're not right at it. You're 2 points away. Oof.
No, we're
You
we're
you
going.
got like 30 seconds, buddy.
All
Order
right, I'm
filled.
out. I'm out.
You're getting a blast or a hammer.
I close it right into the close. I got a little push off of that. I wanted a moral victory right there.
Uh, let's see here. Trader 615. What setups are you usually looking for? Only taking 1 to 3 trades a day. That's kind of hard to explain. Um, I mean, I can explain it, but
A man of a lot of words.
so I'm looking. I'd start at like the daily time frame, 4 hour, 1 hour, and I just work my way down and through. And then you pretty much like I don't draw on charts, as you can see. I do have some indicators, but that's just for trend mostly. I just look for certain levels and then try to take trades around those levels. It's no ICT shit, none of that nonsense. It's just price agreement and distribution, right? It's
Uh,
what ICT built himself off of.
I'm looking at both chats here. Somebody asked, they're looking at Ultra accounts. They asked if there's any discount on those. Code WIN works for every account size, guys. 30% off of everything. So that will work on your Ultras. And then, let's see. Okay, this is the same chat. Yeah. Adam already answered that. Thank you, Adam.
Yeah, Code Win, definitely. Yeah, the ultras are good accounts. Just gives you a lot of breathing room, a lot of room for a mistake.
Meredith said, "Win the belt, then tell us your strategy."
Yeah, I see that.
Listen, guys. Today
I
was.
like her.
I like Meredith too, man. We need to get her on some nicotine. Um, However, today was not my day in the market. I kept it nice and controlled on the loss. But it's just choppy and channeling. But all this has a point being said. When it's time to show up, I show up for us. I won the belt. I'm the current reigning title holder, and Steve is bitter about it. So he came on here fear mongering me this evening.
I'm not bitter. I was literally telling you, no, don't do that. Wait, hold on. You're going to be liquidity. No, don't do that. Wait, yeah, go now.
No, he was fear mongering. He was throwing me off my strategy. Never again.
I guess to answer the one guy's question, so if you wanted to look up like what my strategy is, it's a mean reversion with momentum. So that's how I trade. It's just price will come back to the mean at some point, and then you need momentum on your side for it to catapult from the mean one way or another. I'm a bear more so than a bull, but I don't have a bias. I'll trade anything. It doesn't matter. As you saw, I went short and long in the matter of 40 minutes. But the elevator's faster than the stairs.
Depends on who's taking the stairs, man.
Man, look here, man. Blood days move two to three times as fast than melt up days.
Maybe.
I was talking about Steve, so I should just buy an account at my own firm. Wouldn't that be hilarious?
Well, yeah, man. Let me tell you, if you want to buy an account at your firm, I got this code called Code Win for you, and I have a referral, Gary,
Yes.
whatever.
Oh, you want me to use both? Shit.
Yeah, use my Gary referral and give me some points.
That referral program is going to be awesome, man. Once people start putting it out there and really start using it and seeing it, we got some emails going out that'll talk about it a little bit more. I think it'll do really good for our traders.
I think so too, and like I am happy that you guys rolled that plan out because it kind of gives everybody a chance to share a little bit in the every good thing that props have to offer.
Yeah, I mean, you can share a lot too, right? Like I had said, every action is a point. So somebody registers when they use your code, it's a point. They, get an account, it's a point. Let's say they upgrade, it's a point. I mean, every action is a point, and those add up quick. Just one person going through the process will get you three or 4 points because they upgrade to sim brokerage again. That's another point as well. I mean, you could essentially get, if they started with an eval 1, 2, 3, 4, you get 5 points.
What does 5 points get you? Like, do you know right off what the tier is?
I think you get $100 deposited into any account at 3 points, and then the next level is 7 points. I believe that's a reset. And I think at 10 or 15 points, you start earning like cold hard cash, but the points don't ever expire. So,
Okay.
Start referring, not start referring, but like if you referred it to many of your buddies, like, the points just slowly accrue.
Sure.
Referring the CEO of the firm has got to be worth at least 100 points. This guy's great, man. We should get this guy on stream.
Dude, yeah, I like Adam.
He's funny as fuck.
Yeah, Adam was coming at dangerous levels to get banned off the stream when he was calling me liquidity. But now I think Adam gets a permanent role on here, man.
So what you're saying is don't speak the truth. Am I hearing you right? Or is that the dyslexia kicking in again?
That's the dyslexia.
Because you were fucking liquidity, Gary.
Listen, today was not my day. I can admit it. But wait until I bounce back tomorrow. Now I have something to look forward to tomorrow. I can prove everybody wrong, you included. Come back tomorrow, make 10 grand, and I will have my victory.
Oh, I believe you can. I definitely believe you can.
Well, I mean, I'm just going to go all in at open one way or the other. So.
Just fucking full board it.
Yeah. All right, guys. Well, obviously, I didn't have a read on ES and SPY today. No shame for me to say that I don't win every single day. So I'm taking a small red day. Very manageable, and I'll get back after it tomorrow.
Are we done?
Yeah, I'm done with your ass today, man.
Okay, fair enough. I appreciate you for letting me come on. I enjoyed the laughs. Thanks everybody who joined and watched. We should do it again sometime. I like the afternoon.
Dude, I'm gonna start doing Power Hour every day. I already told them.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Oh crap, man, I might be able to jump on more than once a week then. Yeah, the afternoons are super easy. Yeah, we'll talk after. Okay.
All right. Well, sounds good, guys, and I will see you guys in the morning.
Awesome. Thanks, guys.
All right. Bye.